Hi guys! Welcome to my travels. Welcome to my travels. Because I don't have a
vlog.
yes, but I don't have a YouTube channel yet. So welcome back to my travels. Another weekend, another tour, and I'm currently at the Allan Bognot's Guesthouse. So we left the 5-star bus terminal station earlier at 2:40 a.m. and we arrived at the McDonald's Capas Junction at almost 5 a.m. We bought breakfast first in McDonald's. We rode a trike from McDonald's and we paid 300 pesos. And we're currently at the jump-off station of Pinatubo.
Hi guys,
Aubrey!
our sasakyan is there already.
Ay, later. Nandito na yung sasakyan namin.
Hi guys!
Hello! Say hi! Ilang taon na kayo? Yan? Hello! Cute! So here are my companions for today. Aubrey! Ate Audrey! Aubrey and Audrey. Denver!
Hello.
And Maymay! And then Kuya! Kuya Nardo. Tapos si Kuya June, yung driver namin. Picture muna tayo sa
Bri.
mga icon. So we've just arrived at the jump-off point, the real jump-off point. So from the registration area, it will take about 2 hours of bumpy ride to get here. Yes! So just a tip when you come here. 2 tips! 2 tips! I mean, I have more tips pa later. So the first tip is that you should come here before 7 a.m. Kung may cut-off na 7 a.m. dahil may training yung mga army, so dapat before 7 a.m. nakasakay na kayo ng 4x4. We're gonna start.
Ba't dinala mo pa yan? Dapat iniwan mo.
Go along with the trek. I will
Magbasa na
give
lang
more
naman ng
tips
tsinelas.
that you should wear trekking sandals instead of shoes. Because mababasa yung sapatos mo.
Ay, hindi po. Ano eh.
Hi guys! Ako lang Girl Scout.
Go!
Pwede naman yung patuyuin mamaya.
Mababasa pa yan ulit mamaya. Kaya wala na tayong choice.
Ay, ako na!
Hindi talaga ako sinabihan ng mga friends ko na kailangan may trekking sandals. Meron pa naman akong trekking sandal.
Happy? So, it's my turn.
Okay, this is part of the adventure. Basa na! Simula pa lang ng trek! The next tip is that you should bring face mask, especially if it didn't rain the night before kasi maalikabok siya. Okay, another water trekking. Hello! Hello! Bye-bye! Okay, the next tip is that you should bring cup and apply sunblock dahil grabe ang init. Locals of Tarlac. Bye-bye na tawag na. Bye-bye! So you can see a lot of locals here as you walk along the trail. They're called Aitas.
As you can see, I have difficulty in walking because I have rashes in my feet.
Akala ko dahil nakachinelas ka.
Hindi, mas okay nga nakachinelas eh. Yung singit ko lang
So the next tip, guys, is to bring water.
Yes, sick to. Stay hydrated.
Stay hydrated.
Zoom ko din sa mga.
necessarily a tip but an advice is to always practice the leave no trace principles. So kung yung dinala nyo sa taas, dapat dadalhin nyo din pababa, or kung makita kayo ng basura sa daan, as much as possible, kunin nyo tsaka dalhin nyo sa baba. Like what we did. Hey! Nangalahati na kami.
Yes guys, sungkod is multi-functional.
Sungkod is life. So far, okay lang naman yung trail. Hindi siya steep. Plain lang siya, pero mabato. Saka mainit. Kaya, based on what I've read from a doctor's post, it is advisable that you should apply sunblock every 2 to 3 hours, especially if you're in outdoors. But if you just stay inside an office, applying a sunblock once is enough. $15 minutes back na lang. Kasi young age kami. Charot!
15 minutes.
15 minutes. Timer starts now. May trail sign doon na 15 minutes, 20 minutes, or 25 minutes. Depende sa age mo. Yun siya nakalagay kasi dati hanggang dito daw yung 4x4. Pero, oo, yung movie pa na A Beautiful Disaster. Hindi naglakad sila hanggang dito. Naka 4x4 pa sila hanggang doon sa pinagsyura namin. Ang dami river trekking dito. Pwede kayo maligo. Maligo talaga. Pero ngayon, kasi as you can see, mabato na doon kanina. Kaya kailangan talagang maglakad. Wala kaming choice. Pero okay lang naman. Guys, malapit na. So, ito ko yan. Nilakad na talaga ni Catherine tsaka Daniel. Pati Yay! So now, welcome to Mount Pinatubo. Oh my gosh! Ang ganda! Can you believe that? Nasa Pilipinas lang tayo. Yan sabi niya, Catherine, a beautiful disaster. Dami na palang tao. Pero okay lang, kain kami dito ng lunch. Another tip is to bring pack lunch para makatipid. And also give pack lunch. Yeah. Oh, yung pack lunch. Yeah. Give food to your tour guide. Kain!
First meal of the day.
First meal of the day. Second. Guys, ang ganda!
Welcome to Mount Pinatubo!
To the jump-off station where the 4x4 was parked. We only stayed for about 30 minutes. I suggest that you should eat heavy breakfast before you trek. Then once you arrive at the crater, take a lot of pictures. Do not eat because it's such a waste of time because you need to be back at the jump-off before 11 a.m. Well, may training yung mga military or else gabi na kayo makaka-uwi. Trek na naman ng almost 1 hour. Kung gusto nyo mag-CR, meron namang CR for free. Later, hopefully makapag-picture kami sa 4x4 kasi hindi kami nakapag-picture kanina. Go, Mai! We're almost there! Lapit na kami sa 4x4.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
After 1 hour and 30 minutes of trekking, nandito na kami ulit sa jump-off station at sasakay ng 4x4. Everyday na may balikatan. Twice a month lang pala siya, April tsaka October. Kaya as much as possible, wag kayo pumunta ng April o October para hindi kayo magmadali na pumunta. Dapat kasi by 1 p.m. nakaalis na kayo dun. Malapit na kami sa registration area.
A few moments later.
It's almost 1:30 p.m. and we're back in the registration area. Earlier, we paid 1,700 pesos for the environmental fee, Botolan fee, and fee for the 4x4, which is 3,000 pesos, maximum of 5 people. So you can take a bath if you want, but you'll need to pay 50 pesos or 100 pesos, so we're not sure. But after this, we're gonna ride our trike back to McDonald's, and then from McDonald's, we're gonna ride a bus back to the 5-star bus terminal station. And that's it. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. See you sa next trip.